So on today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make the triangle from bottom up. If you've not seen the first video, which most of the people liked, how to make an easy triangle from top to bottom, then I'll put the link in the description box or on top of the video. But this one is easy. So to start, before we start, this one, it will start large and then it will get smaller till we finish the top. So you choose from the beginning how big you want it. So it will depend on the many chains, the number of chains you make. That will depend of how big you want your triangle to be. So I'll start with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain a random number. So I've done 12 chains just for the demonstration. So what we're gonna do is decrease. So insert the hook in the second chain from the hook, pull the yarn through. Insert the hook in the next chain, pull the yarn through. You have 3 loops, pull through all. This is a decrease. This is gonna happen at the beginning of every row. Now we make a single crochet in every chain till the end of the row. Now the next row I'll chain 1, and like we said, the beginning of the row we make a decrease. So insert the hook in the first stitch, pull through. Insert the hook in the next stitch, pull through. 3 loops, pull through all. And we continue single crochet in every stitch. Single crochet. You will notice that the number of single crochet will decrease as you go up until you are left only with 2 stitches, and you'll end up with 1 decrease only and no more stitches. We're almost done. Single crochet, and this is the last row where we'll do the last decrease. So insert the hook, pull through, insert the hook, pull through 2, and fasten off. That's it. And this is how you get the triangle from bottom up, like this, as I said in the beginning. So we're starting from here. I have done 4 triangles, and then one of the triangles I left a long thread for stitching. So check the description box where you'll find the written pattern how I made these, and you'll find the link to the videos on how to make a triangle 2 different ways. For now I'm using a tapestry needle, and I'm gonna stitch the triangles together. Okay. So the triangles, you need to remember that they need to be the same length on all sides. So you can make the dice. So I'm gonna stitch all around the corners, every triangle I made, and then fill them with a fiber fill or cotton. You see so far? Okay, and we've got the triangles like this. I'm gonna finish stitching here and then going to this side, then I'll fill the last side before I stitch it. So Easy, isn't it? And here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert the needle inside to pass it through so I can finish stitching the last one. And I'll fill it first. So I'm using cotton. You can use fiber fill if you wish, it's up to you. Later on we'll cut it off. And this is the dice triangle. Easy to make and pretty. I hope you like this tutorial. Let me know what you think or if you have any questions, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.